If you are an online teacher or a trainer or wanting to become one and you want to deeply connect with your students, then this video is surely for you. In this video, I have shared 5 very important steps through which you can deeply connect with your students. The 5th step is going to be the most important step. So do watch the video till its end. Namaskar, I'm Lata Sabarwal and thank you so much for watching my channel Life Influence. If you have still not subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button below. Create a permanent place from where you are going to conduct your sessions. A permanent place will give you more concentration, less distraction and more focus. Also keep in mind the space which is visible behind. It should have something which represents you, what you stand for or what you are teaching. For example, if you are a life coach, you can have your certification or something which represents you. And once you have better focus, your students will connect better. Once you have placed your laptop, your tab or your phone, just check the frame when you are visible. Check your face. There should always be some headspace available. Headspace is the space which is above your head. Also wipe the lens nicely before starting and keep the gadget absolutely straight. Do not sit very close to the camera lens. Otherwise, your face will appear very big. Ideally, the length visible should be mid-length. It looks nice and much better. If you are using hands-free, microphone or AirPods, just make sure that they don't have any kind of disturbance and your voice is clearly audible. Always remember, voice plays a very important role in teaching or training. If you are not clearly audible, then your students will not be able to connect with you deeply and will get distracted or disturbed again and again. The way we look directly affects the way we think, the way we feel, the way we act, and the way others react or respond to you. This is by Image Master Judith Rasband. You have to dress up first for yourself. Remember, it's all about you, your feelings, your thoughts, and then your students. This is one of the most important techniques which is going to help you create the desired impact on your students. So dress for yourself. Always wear ironed clothes, a collar. It can be a small collar or a white collar. Create a focal point close to your face. Women can create a focal point like I have done, wearing a colorful neckpiece close to your face, or you can even create it with the help of colorful earrings. But remember, the length of the earrings should be such that they are not distracting at all and give you a professional look. For men, they can wear colorful tie to create a focal point. Keep your nails manicured, clean, and you can have a light shade of nail paint because many times when we are teaching, we lift our hands. And you can create a focal point. You can get the attention of your students with the help of your hands too, in whatever you are explaining to them. For female trainers, a little makeup will definitely add on to your confidence. So do wear little makeup. I'll be uploading a makeup video especially for trainers and teachers very soon. And also, don't forget to wear your favorite perfume because that again adds on to your confidence and is always a feel-good factor. Look professional, feel professional, convey professionally, and connect deeply. And now the 5th point, which is most important point, and it has 2 points in it. First of all, light. Your face should be clearly visible. Always sit facing a window. If that is not possible, then keep a lamp somewhere in front of your face that your face is clearly visible. And if that is also not possible, then switch on all the lights which are available in the room. You will only connect with your students better if your face is visible, especially your eyes. Backlight. Backlight should be completely avoided if there is no front light available. Otherwise, your face will look very dark. All your makeup, your dressing, everything will be a waste. If your face is not visible, your eyes through which you connect to your students are not visible. So lighting is one of the most important elements in connecting deeply with your students, because only then your face will be clearly visible. Always, while explaining something or while talking to your students, try to look into the lens of the camera and not at your laptop again and again. Even if you have to look at your laptop, just look at the laptop or other parts of the screen for a brief moment and then come back to the lens. The students will feel as if you are looking at them and explaining if you are looking into the lens of the camera. Do try these 5 steps to connect with your students deeply and write to me in the comment box how did you feel. Also, I'll be uploading the makeup tutorial very soon for trainers and teachers. Thank you for watching.